it's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day and the grand reveal in Normal Heights. So I thought I would give this a little different perspective. Oh, and the rock guy on his forklift left all these tire marks, but we are going to take care of that next week.
Are you done?
Yes, I'm shooting the grand reveal.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, don't apologize.
I'm going to pick your brain for a minute about this.
So this wall, you know, she had these pots up top, and I wasn't feeling it, but I really like them down here. So when she pulls in, she can see her Pilosoceras. I top dressed them with some Creva and some Fireglass. Then we have our trio of collectibles here that are so cute. And our Petalanthus bracteatus wall. Okay, and then I also moved, you notice there's not a straight line of burgundy lava. I didn't want it, I wanted it to blend nicely. So I brought in some of that gray rock, leftover gray rock, and I threw it down on top of the burgundy in sort of a wavy fashion so that it didn't look so abrupt. The ants are just from us watering.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I got it in my house for like a month now.
Oh, are you spraying with Ortho Home Defense all around the perimeter of the property? That's very, very effective. Outside. Yeah. So here it is. Isn't it so pretty? Oh my gosh. It's just such a beautiful little baby garden. 4 yards of soil back here, a couple ton of boulder, probably a half a ton or so of rubble. And she had so many rocks. So we worked in all of the rock that we could, all of her river rock and her gravel rock. I staged one of her pots here with a beautiful mammillaria. And then top dressed once again with my black 3/4 inch lava.
As long as these are all pulled out right now.
Greg is just giving our client some instruction on her fountain timer. She loves owls, and so we staged one of her cute little owls.
Can you change it to come on at 7 in the morning?
Sure can.
Yeah, you're there.
Push in.
Okay, got it.
So pretty, right?
7 to...
Yeah. Yeah, it passes 7 o'clock, so it came back on.
Okay.
And there it is. And see the wall. What do you think? You know, it's clean up top now. I didn't think that we needed anything up there competing with the landscape. But what a great backdrop for this gorgeous installation.
This little clock symbol.
Wow. Just wow.
When that is switched to the clock
She'll be hand watering once a week in the warmer months and maybe once a month in the winter time. We got the gutters all done. I went to Oasis Water Efficient this morning and pulled my plants. See how cute they turned out. Right? These gutters will be hand watered once a week in the warmer months and then whenever in the cooler. Okay, so she looks at those through those 2 house windows. That was my solution for this very, very tight and hospitable space. She wanted something, remember, growing that she could see through those windows, and there just was not enough room down on the ground to plant anything in ground. So yeah, that's what we did. And here's the front all finished up. There's a gorgeous yellow butterfly checking out the garden. Welcome, you beautiful creature. Wow, it's so bright. Can you see it? I hope you guys can see that butterfly. Oh, hi. Wow. Okay, so you've seen this, so I won't spend, a whole lot of time on it, but I woke up in the middle of the night and it occurred to me, oh my gosh, rubble should go around those trees. Look at that, you guys. Doesn't that look so good? So rich. Remember, public street, lots of people, lots of dogs, all the things. And now she's completely taken care of. I told her that we would take care of and address every square inch of this property, and that is what we have done. We will be doing maintenance here fairly regularly because she does travel a great deal. So when she's gone, she's going to have us come and weed and snip and clip and just, you know, do whatever needs doing. I didn't go crazy with my Creva. I was going to throw fiberglass down here, but then I decided no. Restraint, restraint, restraint. So I just threw a little bit of burgundy down there. But I really love the way the black played. I ran it, my 3/4 inch, I ran it, started it here, went up the hill, and connected through the cleavage and back up to this mound and down. It looks so good. Love that trigona pot in the background. Looks wonderful. Yeah, this is a beautiful baby garden that is just going to be better and better and better as time goes on. Letting you take it all in. All right. I think the only thing that I haven't shown you yet are the gutters on the shady side, which came together really, really well because I was able to pop a string of pearls in over there. I couldn't do it on this side because it's just too hot. But yeah, I'll take you around and I'll show you those gutters over here. So again, this project took 5 days with 5 crew. Okay, we cleaned up back here too, spread more rock, laid more weed barrier fabric. You know, obviously pulled all the weeds. And then here are these gutters. Yeah. I found these really, really mature long string of pearls at Robert's at Planter Paradise. Sorry guys, this is really narrow here. Gonna have to get a little close. I'll try not to be too jerky. Okay. So the way this worked is Greg just anchored the aluminum gutters onto those wooden panels. Easy. Drilled little holes in the bottom for drainage. And, you know, we used to use plastic, but I don't know. You know, I really liked the idea of the aluminum. And turns out the aluminum gutters also are deeper than the plastic ones, which I liked. Because the more soil that we can put in, the less they're going to dry out. You know, they're not going to dry out as quickly. So, there you have it. We will be taking care of little grand succulent baby Quinny next week. So we will see you the following week on another fabulous project in Talmadge. Until then, this has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your grand reveal in Normal Heights. Bye guys.